Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Countertop Ice Maker. So this says it can make ice cubes in 6 minutes? That's crazy. So on top we have the instructions, little user manual there, and we have the ice maker here. Let's see, what would be the best way to get this out of here? Got some decent packaging here. Okay. Okay. All right. So it's not super heavy. Probably weighs, I don't know, about 10, 15 pounds. It's got a decently long power cord here. I like to show that, the power cord length of products, because sometimes you get like a pretty short one. This looks like a decent size, probably about 6 feet long here. Right, so this has this little sticker here. Oops. Looks like somehow the little top came off there. Okay, so this has, that's pretty sweet. Has a little water dispenser. This thing comes with a little little scoop right here for the ice. I imagine you just fill up this reservoir with water. That's pretty cool, that little scoop right there. You can scoop our ice out however we want. This should just like make our ice cubes somehow and push them over there. I'm gonna check it out real quick. But that looks pretty sweet. And if it can make ice cubes in 6 minutes, that's crazy. So there it is. Risk of fire, refrigerant. It's got a little drain hole here in the bottom. Let's plug that in. Put some water in our reservoir. Let's fire it up here, shall we? I'm pretty excited to see how well this thing's gonna work. Okay friends, made sure the plug was plugged there in the bottom. Added some water. Put the little ice cube tray back. Turn this on. And you can select large or small. We'll go with small. And here we go. Looks like it's starting. So we'll begin the timer here. See if we got ice in 6 minutes. That'll be pretty crazy. It's already working. It's like the little water's going in up there. Okay. Give it a little bit of time, we'll be right back. Okay, my friends, I caught it this time. So that little thing goes down. The cats, oh, what's going on? Oh, wow, they like fall off of there real quick. I think it heats them up or something, that's cool. And then right at like 6 minutes. Then the little scooper goes down. And scoops them in there just like that. It's pretty cool. Works really well. So that's our third load already. And I got like a whole little scoop of ice cubes here. I'm gonna try the big size now, see what that does for us. So let's switch it over to large and see those. All right, friends, so I got some larger cubes going now. So there's like the size differences, the little ones and bigger ones. And this thing just keeps cranking out the ice cubes. It's pretty cool. It'll just fill this up basically and keep going. So this knocked these out. Literally, it'll make those little ones in 6 minutes. It's not even joking. And yeah, so we got this going. It's cranking out the ice just like it was supposed to do. It's pretty sweet. We don't use the ice maker in our fridge, just kind of has issues. So this is kind of cool. You can just put it on your counter or whatever. And or if you've got a little camper or something like that, it's really nice to have ice if you don't, because ice makers can take up a lot of room in like a refrigerator or a freezer or something. So this is a pretty handy little device if you got people coming over and you want some cold drinks or whatever, and just fire this up ahead of time. You can have plenty of ice there and it works great. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time.